Feet are hip distance apart and parallel. And breathe in and pull the arms all the way up. Gather your hands and then let them flow down through the spine. And breathe in. And feel the lengthening of the spine. And let it flow down. Breathe in. And this time we roll down. You start with the head, feel each vertebra. And bend the knees to be able to focus on the spine and relax your neck. And slowly roll up. Breathe in. And roll down. And keep listening to the breathing too. And roll up. And breathe in. And roll down. This time we are going to reach the floor with our hand palm. So bend the knees and then walk forwards to downwards facing dog. Feel the wide back stretch behind your legs. And you start walking on the place and keep pushing the ground with the ball of your hands. And keep pulling the sit bones all the way up to the universe. Gather your feet, big toe and big toe together, and extend the right leg all the way up. Breathe in and make the circle with the legs to warm up your hip joint. Breathe in to extend and place. Switch. Breathe in and make circles. Breathe in and place. Open the feet again. And slowly we place the knees on the floor. Make sure that you keep pushing the ground with the ball of the hands. And arms are turned out to be able to push. And the hands are under the shoulders and the knees are under your pelvis. And then we start making the curve and arch with the spine. And please do with your own speed. Start bending sideways. And let's stretch ourselves with the child pose. If you feel uncomfortable with this pose, you can also spread the knees. You might feel more comfortable. Slowly we come back to the all fours. Make sure your hands are under the shoulders and the knees are under the pelvis, and we start making the circle with the spine. And feel free to bend the elbows when you go down. Continue to the other side. Keep pushing the ground with your left arm. Extend the right arm all the way up. And slide in between left hand and the left knee as deep as possible so that you can rest your right shoulder and head on the ground. Place the left hand where you need to. You can place on your lower back or even lift up. And make circles to be able to massage in between the shoulder blades. Extend and place to switch. Breathe in and slide in. Extend, breathe in and place. Now tucked in, bend the elbows and you scoop. Make the arch and curve is the spine. And reverse. Keep pushing the ground with the ball of your hands. Keep activating the core. And we reverse this time bigger. Bend the elbows and you slide forward with your chest. Open the shoulders, keep using the core, and you come back by pushing the hands. And make the arch with the spine, slide forward, open the shoulders, and keep pushing the ground, otherwise you're gonna sink. This is a bit challenging. We reverse. Keep the shoulders open, you roll down and you push the ball of your hands and the forearm. And push. We make the last one and we finish with a downwards facing dog. And you walk backwards to your feet and slowly roll up with your own speed, each vertebra at a time. Nice.